Walking Man 45 here. Today I'm showcasing my Cartridge series knives with cartridge type shields, and I am cheating a little, as you can already tell, but let's run through these quick. This is the Winchester Sunfish. Here's the box. Love Winchester boxes, so neat. So this one has a double nail neck, a long pull, and a regular nail neck, part of their Cartridge series. There's the stamp on the back. This is orange bone. Very comfortable, a lot more comfortable than a elephant toe with the pen blade. Although this is probably it's a 10 nail breaker. I really can't get it out without using pliers. That's one of the reasons I really don't like the pen blades on Sunfish or elephant toes. But damn, this bone is so pretty. They don't make them like this anymore. Even GEC doesn't really. Look at this jigging, it's sick. Totally flush. Gorgeous, gorgeous knife. And this thing locks up like a bank vault. Doesn't close like a trap, but I mean, this thing locks up like nobody's business. All right. Next up, I've shown this one a lot because it's probably my favorite traditional. This is the unexcelled 72 Cody Scout. Lockback. Love this knife. Again, just because I'm trying to be real in my videos, it did come with side to side and a little bit of up and down, and I sent it back to GEC, and they fixed it, and this thing kicks ass. This is an awesome, awesome knife. All right. Next up, I've also shown this guy before. This is the Camillus 1988, and I bought it, Jumbo Trapper, and I bought it without a shield, and then I made my own shield out of a piece of 45 Starline brass. I just cut the top off and epoxied it in, or the bottom off, whatever, with the primer strike on there. Awesome company, Starline, and plus it just looks cool with the stars. Yeah, plus, was this a plus P? Yeah, this guy was screaming when I shot it. That felt great. So yeah, I know that's kind of cheating with this particular type of shield, but such is life. All right, so this is the Remington Cartridge series lockback. One of the few that doesn't have a crack on the bottom. This is a Delrin cover, 1990. So, I don't know, going on 35-year-old knife. It's a pretty neat knife. The jimping on the top is pretty sharp. It's a great knife, stainless steel. And then finally the Case 75 large stockman. Again, if I'm being honest, I really, and I know you're out there, Lenny, listening. My buddy Lenny loves the 75. I really don't like it. It's pretty soft on the walk and talk, and this massive sheep's foot is awesome, but it's like such a hump. I'd almost prefer just this blade, the sheep's foot, and maybe like the clip point on the other side and get rid of the spay, which I never use. I think that'd be pretty awesome. Almost like a GEC makes one kind of like that. It's an 80 something, I believe. I can't remember what it's called, but it just has the clip and the sheep's foot. Yeah, I get that this is a shell, not a cartridge, but it's close enough. Plus, I've been wanting to show this guy for a while. They did an outstanding job on the construction of this knife. Again, besides the very soft walk and talk. It's not as bad as a GEC 97, but it's close. Anyways, very popular. I know a lot of you guys like this knife. It is awesome. Just for me, the hump is a lot, and I'll never use the spay for anything. But beautiful, beautiful knife. Back when they still stamped the blades instead of the cheapo laser engraving. And I do love the case clip point. Nice. All right. Walkman 45. My Cartridge series type knives. All right, Walkman 45 out.